Find the equation of the normal to the curve 5x squared plus 4xy minus y cubed equals 5 at the point 1 minus 2. So here's the question here then. So let's have a go at the differentiation. It's an implicit function, so here differentiating gives 10. The 2 comes down to be with the 5 to make 10. X to the 1 less than 2, which is 1, plus, this is a product, so it's u, using the product rule, dv dx, which is dy dx, plus v, y, times du dx, which is, this differentiates to 4, minus, this is something to a power cubed, so it's minus 3 of the something to the power 1 less, multiplied by the something differentiated, which is dy dx, equals 0. So that tells us now then, dy dx here, bracket, we've got a 4x here, and we've got a minus 3y squared is equal to, and then what we'll do is we'll move this 10x over there, minus 10x, and minus 4y as well. So there's the two terms. So that tells us then that dy dx is equal to, so what I'm going to do is move this down from times to divide. I'll leave that as minus 10x minus 4y because we're only evaluating it anyway, over 4x minus 3y squared. We could flip these two terms around, times through by a minus and thereby get rid of the minus here if we wished. So at the point 1 minus 2, what does dy dx equal? That's the gradient of the tangent at this point when x is 1. So it's minus 10 times 1, minus 10. Minus 4 times minus 2 is plus 8, over 4 times x, which is 4 ones of 4, minus 3 lots of y squared, and minus 2 squared is 4. So that's what we've got then. So on the top we've got minus 2. 4 minus 12 is minus 8. So we end up with minus over a minus is a plus, so that's a quarter. So that's the gradient of the tangent. So the equation of the normal then, the gradient of the normal. So the normal's gradient then is minus 4, isn't it? Because that's a quarter. So this times this is minus 1, of course. So that's the gradient of the normal. Consequently then, the equation of the normal at the point P is y minus the y value, so it's y minus minus 2, is equal to the gradient minus 4 times x minus the x value. So there's the equation. We can tidy it up if we want to, so we could write y equals minus 4x, then this is minus times minus is plus 4, move this over as minus 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, so y equals minus 4x plus 2.